back to my channel. My name is Bubuchang and this is Kong Kong, and we're going to have a review today, guys, of this shampoo, which is called Babe shampoo and conditioner.
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Is that showing? There you go, Babe shampoo and conditioner. So this looks so good. It's color pink, but
yeah,
it also
my
has
favorite.
It also has a color blue, guys, and this one smells so good.
Very delicious too.
Delicious smell, according to Kung Kung. So, cotton candy, velvety floral or something. Okay.
What about the other one?
It says here, guys, that it says let your hair do the talking with.
I don't know what is that.
Okay, let your hair do the talking and show off your babe-worthy hair with Babe Blossom shampoo. We bet you wouldn't be able to resist the urge to smell your luscious locks after using this velvety floral scented potion.
Yeah,
it smells good. And this one says here, the conditioner says dry and lifeless hair, so just like my hair.
Yeah.
Don't despair. Our Babe Blossom conditioner is velvety floral scent, is packed with hydrolyzed keratin and argan oil. Okay, so that's good. Argan oil, keratin, they're good for your hair. So guys, we just finished actually
our babach in the
our
bathroom.
babach. We just took a bath, and actually my hair before this is super buhaghag. But,
and tangled.
yes, but right now, after we use this, it's soft, and kahit may mga, hindi natin maiiwas yung mga split ends na yan dahil hindi naman to professionally made by a hairdresser. Itong buhok ko, nag-shampoo lang naman tayo, at hindi ko naman siya pinadry using the hair dryer. I just, naturally dried by the air.
By the fan.
Oh, by the fan. Ganun lang. So right now, all I can say is it's really good. It's really soft, and this one is actually very
yummy.
Very yummy daw, sabi ni Kung Kung. Smells yummy. Okay, so we're gonna give you guys, or we're gonna show you guys the process and how we did this in the bathroom. Okay? So, actually, hindi ako yun. Ipapakita ko dahil baka mag-ex kayo dito. So, si Kung Kung lang yung paano namin pinocess to. Okay, so this is it. Come on! Wow.
It's very amazing.
Nice.
Yeah. I wish I want a glowy hair.
Is it like, smells good?
So yummy.
Oh, yummy.
I want to eat it because it's yummy.
Wow, it's so bubbly.
Bubbly?
Yep.
Is there bubbles?
So, is it smooth?
Yeah. I wish my hair wants to be no tangled because I don't like that.
Okay, that's good.
But I don't want my hair to be poor. It's yummy! I love it.
Next is
The other one.
the Babe conditioner. So, Kung Kung, open it.
This is mine?
No, this is ours. Go.
We're tasting it? We're testing it now?
Yeah, we're reviewing it.
Wait. Oh.
Let me help you there.
Thank you, Nine. You're a nice helper.
Oops. Okay, smell it though.
It smells like flowers.
Okay, go ahead. It's soft?
Yeah.
Okay, all your hair.
Come on, do this. This is my hair.
Rinse, rinse, rinse.
Rain. Yeah.
Rinsing your hair. Okay, guys, so we're back mga loves. So we're done. Kung is done and
and beautiful, right?
so we are done taking a bath and here's the result of the hair. So guys, earlier or everyday talaga yung aking buhok is buhaghag, but now it smells good, right?
Yeah. Can you smell your hair?
Yeah. And it's soft. So my hair is actually very damaged, guys.
Yeah.
But then right now,
You have a soft hair.
soft na siya and it's straight. And I think I really need to, ano pa talaga guys, more pa talagang alaga na aking hair. But not bad naman ang shampoo na yan. Basta nabili ko siya for 250 pesos each. Okay. So yun guys. And then, I will just put somewhere yung ingredients niya. Basta alam ko may argan oil siya.
Yeah.
Alam ko maganda siya for your hair talaga, especially yung mga damaged hairs, ganun. But then yeah, marami siyang nakakatulong siya. Okay, yung Facebook nila is Babe.Formula and Instagram at Babe.Formula. Okay. Alright, so not bad. Smells good talaga.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so yun guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to have more videos like this,
to our channel.
Yes. And thank you so much, Fear of God, for my shirt today.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Fear of God,
Yeah,
inspired
Fear of
by
God.
Suga Yoongi of BTS. And thank you so much for all your subscription, guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you and see you again next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Or I'm saying thank you.
Bye.
I love you.
Oh, bye-bye.